Most people will wake up in 2025 and realize the rules of money have changed, not because they missed the memo, but because they were busy chasing income the old-fashioned way. What they don't see coming is a quiet revolution. Passive income streams that are gaining serious momentum, while millions stay stuck in outdated systems. This video uncovers 10 powerful passive income ideas that are growing fast and can be started today. No hype, just opportunity. Let's begin with digital downloads. In the past, selling physical goods required storage, packaging, and logistics. But now, with platforms like Etsy and Gumroad, anyone can create and sell digital products, planners, worksheets, resume templates, or budgeting spreadsheets. Once uploaded, these files can continue generating income with little ongoing effort. The demand for creative, useful downloads is rising as people seek convenience and personalization. Next is affiliate content through faceless YouTube channels. With AI voiceovers, stock footage, and well-written scripts, creators can build profitable channels without ever showing their faces. Videos that review tools, explain platforms, or compare services can rank for years. Each view increases the exposure of affiliate links in the description, a reliable way to earn commissions over time, even from older videos. Third, we have print-on-demand merchandise. Unlike traditional e-commerce, there's no inventory. With services like Amazon Merch, Redbubble, or Teespring, creators upload designs and let the platform handle printing, shipping, and customer service. What's trending in 2025 is niche targeting. Micro niches like regional humor, career jokes, or pop culture mashups are thriving. The income may start gradually, but grows steadily as you add more listings. The fourth idea is KDP low-content books. This isn't about writing novels. It's about uploading notebooks, journals, coloring books, and activity books to Amazon. These products rely more on design than on writing skills. As consumers shift toward self-improvement and creative outlets, these low-cost books are becoming steady sellers on the world's biggest online marketplace. Idea number 5 is investing in high-yield crypto savings accounts. As decentralized finance becomes more mainstream, interest-earning options for holding digital assets are emerging. Platforms like Coinbase offer such opportunities. However, it's important to remember, this is not financial advice. Always research thoroughly and understand the risks before investing. Crypto markets can be volatile, and returns are never guaranteed. Coming in at 6 is course licensing. While selling your own course is valuable, licensing it to educators or businesses allows you to generate recurring income. You build the course once, then allow others to use it under their brand or for a fee. It's like digital franchising and is gaining popularity as online education continues to grow. 7th is newsletter sponsorships. Newsletters are the new blogs, personal, direct, and free from algorithm changes. A well-targeted newsletter with even a few thousand subscribers can attract sponsors. Platforms like Beehive and Substack make it easy to manage and monetize. Once a newsletter is sent, it can continue driving clicks and income for months. Number 8 is niche blog websites monetized with ads and affiliate links. SEO-focused blogs still work, especially in specific topics like RV living, dog training, or sustainable fashion. With AI writing tools and low-cost hosting, solo creators can build content hubs that attract traffic for years. These sites can become digital assets, sometimes bought and sold like virtual real estate. 9th is investing in fractional real estate. With platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul, you can invest in properties without buying entire buildings. These platforms distribute dividends monthly or quarterly, and your investment is backed by real estate. In 2025, this model is expanding into areas like vacation homes, student housing, and even data centers. As always, research thoroughly. Investments carry risk. And finally, the 10th idea is creating mobile apps or tools. Thanks to no-code platforms like Glide or Bubble, you don't need to be a developer. You can build apps like habit trackers or budgeting calculators, then monetize them through app stores or private subscriptions. As smartphones remain central to daily life, simple utility apps are becoming passive income machines. These 10 ideas are more than just trends. They're working for thousands of people, who understand a simple truth. The earlier you start, the sooner results begin to compound. Passive income in 2025 won't be about luck. It'll be about action, smart, early, and consistent. The door is open. Will you walk through it?